Okay, pi root t over 2 stays the same, but pi t over 4 root t, the t over root t can be altered into just pi times root t all over 4. And then for 2 pi over 4 root t, 2 and 4 reduce, giving us just pi over 2 root t. But we don't like having a square root in the denominator, so what we actually will end up with is pi root t over 2t. And that is the value of v prime of t. If we want to, we actually realize that all the numerators are pi times root t. So we can take out the pi root t, leaving us with 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1 over 2t, which actually gives us pi root t times 3/4 plus 1 over 2t. And that is a much prettier answer for v prime of t. Question 10. We want to determine whether there exists any values x in the interval 0 to 2 pi such that the rate of change of f of x equal to secant x and the rate of change of g of x equal to cosecant x are equal. Okay, so we have f of x equal to secant x and g of x equal to cosecant x. That the rate of change are equal means that we want to show that the derivatives are equal. So f prime of x is secant x tan x, and g prime of x is negative cosecant x cotan x. And we want to set these derivatives equal to each other and see if there's some value x where the derivatives are equal, where their rates of change are equal. We get secant x tan x equals negative cosecant x cotan x. This will be easier to see if we change everything into terms of sine and cosine. So secant x is actually 1 over cosine x. Tan is sine over cosine. Cosecant is 1 over sine. And cotangent is cosine over sine. Alright, we can multiply both sides by sine squared x to give us sine cubed x on the left and eliminate the sine x's in the denominators on the right. Similarly, we can multiply both sides by cosine squared x. This will get rid of the denominators on the left and leave us with negative cosine cubed x on the right. Well, we can take the cubed root of both sides and see that we need a point where sine equals negative cosine. If we were to pull up our unit circle, we would see that sine and cosine have the same values at the 45s, but that cosine equals negative cosine at these 2 points. This is pi over 4, pi over 2, this is 3 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. So the solution is that they have the same rate of change at 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4, where sine is either positive or negative root 2 over 2, and cosine is the opposite of that.